Hello guys, welcome on my channel 4 Weeks by David. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace cabin filter on Audi, Volkswagen. If you are interested, let's have a look.
Some of these filters are behind the glove box, but some of the filters are below the glove box, behind this plastic cover. So we need to remove these 3 plastic bolt screws. 1, 2nd and 3rd. Remove this cover and slide this white plastic to the left and pull it. Then you have access to remove the filter. Pull it strong and have a look on the shape of the filter, and we need to put on the same position. Just don't forget to subscribe my channel, thanks. Have a look on the shape of the filter, put it on the same position. Make sure that you not squash the filter. Just put it gently. If the filter is in, you can put the white cap back on. You need to slide the cap to the right and make sure that all clips are in properly. Now we have to put back cover and screw in the 3 screws. Job done. Thanks for watching, and if you are happy with my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks.